Stratus 5 Oxygen Concentrator Troubleshooting. Power supply problems. Power supply problems are a frequent concern for Stratus 5 Oxygen Concentrator users. These issues can interrupt oxygen therapy, leading to frustration. Being able to identify and address power problems is essential for ensuring your concentrator functions when you need it the most. Identifying power issues. When your Stratus 5 isn't working, your first step should be to check the power supply. Ensure the unit is plugged in properly. Simple mistakes can cause bigger headaches. Power cord. Examine the power cord for any signs of damage. A frayed or broken cord could prevent the concentrator from receiving power. Power outlet. Check if the outlet is working by plugging in another device to see if it functions correctly. Machine display. If the display is blank, the issue might be related to the power supply. A blinking light or an error message could also point to power-related issues. Solutions for power failures. After identifying a power issue, try these solutions. Damaged power cord. Replace a damaged power cord immediately to avoid safety risks. Non-functioning outlet. If the outlet isn't working, try plugging the concentrator into a different one. If you're using a power strip, ensure it's turned on and functioning properly. Reset the concentrator. Unplug the unit, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can sometimes fix minor power-related problems. Frequent power outages. Consider using an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, to keep the concentrator running during short outages. It's a small investment for consistent functionality. Contact support. If none of the above solutions work, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further troubleshooting or technician assistance. Have you experienced power issues with your Stratus 5? Share what worked for you, as your experience could help others facing similar problems.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.